In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to package a PowerPoint presentation with linked files. This is the best way to make sure your presentation travels perfectly from one computer to another without missing videos, broken audio, or mismatched fonts. If you've ever opened a deck on a new device and seen empty boxes where your media should be, packaging is what prevents that. Start by collecting all the linked files you used. Linked files are anything your presentation points to outside the PowerPoint file itself. Common examples include inserted videos and audio, high-resolution images that weren't embedded, charts that reference external data, and any external links you rely on for playback. The goal is simple. Make sure every one of those items is stored in the exact same folder as your presentation file. Keeping everything together helps PowerPoint maintain the connection to those assets when it bundles your project. If your files are scattered across your desktop, downloads, or a cloud-only location, gather them into that one project folder. Keep file names consistent so PowerPoint can recognize them without confusion. Next, save the presentation locally. Go to File, choose Save As, and pick the folder that contains all those linked items. Give your presentation a clear, descriptive name so you can identify it quickly when you're packaging or sharing it. Saving locally, rather than to a network path or cloud-only location, ensures that PowerPoint can reliably pull in the linked media during packaging. Now, if you're using an older version of PowerPoint that includes it, use the Package Presentation for CD feature. Go to File, select Export, and choose Package Presentation for CD. This tool is designed to gather your presentation along with its linked content in one place. Add all linked files if prompted, then decide whether you want to copy to folder or copy to CD. Copy to folder is the most flexible option. It creates a folder that contains your presentation and its linked media, ready to move to a USB drive, share over a network, or zip and send. Copy to CD will write the package directly to a disk if that's your preferred method. The best part is that PowerPoint automatically includes linked media and fonts in the package, which helps your slides look and sound the same wherever they're opened. And that's it. By organizing your linked files, saving your deck locally, and using Package Presentation for CD, you're setting yourself up for a smooth, worry-free presentation experience on any compatible computer.